How to clean your drink bottle. Begin by unscrewing the lid from your bottle. Then open drinking spout and disconnect straw from the lid. Be careful not to dislodge the leak-proof valve. Prepare warm soapy water with a mild detergent. Soak the lid and straw parts for 10 minutes. Using a sponge, wash the inside and outside of the lid. To clean in hard-to-reach areas, use a straw cleaning brush. Rinse away soap with clean water and place all parts on rack to air dry. In a similar way, wash the straw and mount thoroughly, using the small brush and sponge as required. Using a bottle brush, clean the inside of the bottle, removing any residue on the base. Gently clean the outer bottle with a soft sponge or non-abrasive cleaning aid, avoiding any harsh scrubbing of the print. To reassemble your drink bottle for use, begin by pushing the straw firmly into the mount. Then take the lid, close the drinking spout and align the 2 marker dots with the 2 braces on the straw mount. Push together firmly with thumbs to ensure a secure fit. Fill your bottle with your favorite drink and screw on the lid until hand tight. For more how-to videos and to keep up to date with Hippo Blue trends, follow us on our socials.